Good morning. In today's class we will take down some problems which are based on classification of magnetic materials. You can refer how the magnetic materials are classified, our previous class notes, wherein we have told like the magnetic materials can be classified as diamagnetic, paramagnetic and ferromagnetic materials, and we have seen how they are classified, what are the permeability, susceptibility ranges for these materials. So now we'll take down some problems based on this, and we will know how we can classify these materials. Now first to note down the problems and then we'll try to answer the questions. So take down the first one. The permeability of a magnetic material is material is 0.9983. These are all one mark questions. Name the type of magnetic materials it represents. Name the type of magnetic material it represents. You may try to find out the answer. I'll give you a set of questions and then I'll tell you the answer. The next one, the susceptibility of a magnetic material is susceptibility of a magnetic material. The susceptibility of a magnetic material is 1.9 into 10 to the power minus 5. 1.9 into 10 to the power minus 5. To the power minus 5. Name the type of magnetic material it represents. Name the type of magnetic material it represents. Okay, so take down the next one, third one. The susceptibility of a magnetic material is minus 4.2 into 10 to the power minus 6. To the power minus 6. Name the type of magnetic material it represents. Name the type of magnetic material it represents. Okay, so the last one, fourth one. The relative magnetic permeability of a magnetic material is 800. The relative permeability of a magnetic material is 800. Identify the nature of magnetic material. Identify the nature of magnetic material. Okay, fine. So these are set of questions. Now we'll try to answer one by one. The first one is the permeability of a magnetic material is 0.9983. name the type of magnetic material it represents. So it's a very low value of permeability. So if you take a magnetic material called diamagnetic material, its permeability is just less than 1 or slightly less than 1. Okay, so the answer for the first one is diamagnetic substance or diamagnetic material. So I'll write here solutions. First one, given permeability as 0.9983. So it's a diamagnetic substance. The answer is diamagnetic substance because very low value of permeability, less than 1. In second one, what's given? So given the susceptibility of a magnetic material is 1.9 into 10 to the power minus 5. It's a small and positive value of susceptibility, and hence it is a paramagnetic substance. You know, for a diamagnetic it is negative, and for a ferromagnetic the susceptibility will have a very high value. So it's a small, very small positive value of susceptibility, so that means it is a paramagnetic substance. So we'll write the answer for second one, given susceptibility is 1.9 into 10 raised to the power minus 5. So it's a very small and positive value. The small and positive value of susceptibility represents paramagnetic substance. It's a small and positive value of susceptibility, therefore it is, yes, paramagnetic substance. Paramagnetic substance. The first one is diamagnetic, next is paramagnetic. Now we'll take down the third one. Read out the question. The susceptibility of a magnetic material is minus. So here a negative value of susceptibility, minus 4.2 into 10 to the minus 6. The negative value of susceptibility represents diamagnetic substance. Given susceptibility is minus how much? Minus 4.2 into 10 to the power minus 6. Minus 4.2 into 10 to the power minus 6. Negative value represents diamagnetic substance. Negative value represents diamagnetic substance. Diamagnetic substance. Okay, and then we'll go on to the fourth one, the easy one. The relative permeability of a magnetic material is 800. Identify the nature of magnetic material. The relative magnetic permeability of a material is 800 here. So given permeability is 800, so it's a high value of permeability, and hence it is a ferromagnetic substance. 800. So given relative permeability, a high value of permeability represents ferromagnetic substance. High value of permeability represents ferromagnetic substance. Because the permeability is given as 800, it represents a ferromagnetic substance. So like this you may get different values of susceptibility and permeability. You may have to identify what it can be categorized in which category, like whether dia, para or ferro. So you must be knowing the values of susceptibility and the permeability for these three classification, and then you can easily classify them. Hope you understood this problem. In the coming class we will see some more problems based on this.